This is an unboxing and review of the Acer Aspire E5-575 model, 15.6 inch. Included is the power cord and power adapter. And of course included is the laptop, Acer Aspire laptop. Included with the documentation is a setup guide, FCC information. Once again, that was the setup guide and the FCC information and travelers information with the warranty, 1-year warranty. It has the latest 7th generation Intel Core i3 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 4 USB ports. The laptop price is $349.99. Features HDMI, DDR4 memory, 1080p. The laptop has a non-replaceable battery. There is a DVD drive, the laptop camera is not good quality. That's all for the unboxing and review. Thanks for watching.